What's her name? Hey here, puppy. Puppy. Come here, puppy. Come to your mommy, puppy. Puppy, 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 puppy.
Sharpie. Sharpie na lang. Sharpie. And.
What?
Sharpie na lang.
Sharpie wants to lick poo? Sharpie!
Yan! Kagapin mo. Yan o, kagapin mo yan.
Sharpie! Sharpie, are you sure?
Ruff! Ruff! Kulong mo rin, nakalikot na yun. Kulong mo na yan. Malikot na.
Wow!
Silaw na yan.
Wow, Sharpie!
Sharpie na lang.
Wow, Sharpie!
Bae na, no? Bae na.
Girl Sharpie! Wow, Sharpie! You shall not pass!
Kapag lumakihan,
What?
medium lang.
I know. What we saw is not a Chinese Sharpie. It's an American Sharpie, more like a master. La 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 la. What's the best name for her?
Bonus.
Let's think, let's think of a good name for her.
Ikaw nga, Han. Sabi si Icy.
I want to call her Hippo. Oh, I'll post this on YouTube, then let the users decide what her name will be. Right? So you YouTube people, if you can help us figure out a name for this wonderful Sharpie pop band. It will be very much appreciated. Bye. Say goodbye, puppy. Bye.